Bonjour mes amis. Des îles occidentales, Londres, le monde est un salut spécial et mes nouveaux amis à Vertillac, en France. Je suis le poète anglais peu connu et je sors aujourd'hui du Luxembourg, le café du commerce à Vertillac, qui est mon petit trou dans la folie de la société. C'est là que je passe de nombreuses heures avec mon ami le propriétaire Luc. Je suis sur le point de réciter mon dernier poème qui est Willy. Excusez ma maîtrise du français. Joe Maguire. What do you reckon, Lukey? Okay. Right. Now we're going to do it. Did you hear that, everybody? That was Lukey saying I've progressed in French. Anyway, my first presentation of the day, done the early hours of this morning, is called The Knobs. You'll get it as I start to say it. The Knobs by Joe Maguire. The knobs, aren't they just discerning to the end, their every thought hidden, and never a secret to be told, except yours, when they've told and done, and they pretend to care, but you, my friend, beware, for they will pick the bones of every word, even rearrange a few to suit their purpose, and don't doubt the poet when he says they will judge you harshly, as they do anyone. Don't try to better them, or overtake them on the ladder to success, for you have your place on the bottom rung, and you should be suitably grateful, for in their eyes they have rescued you from your previous dwelling place, the gutter. And they'll tell everyone when you're not there, that's where they found you, and then you'll be an ungrateful little bastard. They will listen to your bleatings, provide a willing ear, whilst like a lost lamb they will fatten you up for the kill. For you will be fed the scraps they'd normally throw away, and God forbid that you'll ever be trusted in their hallowed halls, and they'll have a name for you, I doubt it will be your own. For a while at least you'll be their latest cause. Enjoy it while it lasts. Take your seat at the table, drink their cheap wine, and learn to follow their rules. But no matter what happens, everything is fickle and temporary. And sooner or later, they'll drop you like a hot poker when they're off to save the planet and the whales. It will hurt when it dawns on you that you are not on their list of creatures to be saved, because these do-gooders would never stamp on a spider, trample a meadow flower, or swat an annoying fly, but in the blink of an eye they would send you back to the gutter, where you would surely die. Careful as you go. These people have a cruel history, and they are everywhere. Their misty grey eyes of empathy hide their veiled lies with thin veneer. They are like spiders' webs, difficult to see in the dim light of the alehouse, but quite visible in the cold light of day. They are the do-gooders, and mark my words, they should come complete with a government health warning. Joe Maguire, with my friend Lukey in Luxembourg, le Café du Commerce.